everyone. So tonight I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I am going to be doing a straight pour in ocean blue colors, and I've added in some gold as well. So the colors that I have here are Deco Art Enchanted Shimmer Blue. I think this is going to be a really pretty pop of shimmer. I have Rich Art Turquoise. Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. Oh, maybe I should have kept track of what my colors are. This is a metallic blue. I think it was custom, but I don't remember for sure. This is a custom mix of golds. I have Creative Inspirations Phthalo Blue and Master's Touch Lake Blue. Alright, and then I'm also going to be using a flow extender, and I think I'm going to put a little bit down for a base as well. And this is just some table scrapings that created this really pretty soft blue. So I haven't quite decided exactly how I want to layer my cup. For this size canvas, I need approximately 12 ounces of paint. This is, I think, a 16-ounce cup. About 13 ounces comes that first line. So we're just going to fill it to there. Okay, so goes on the bottom, comes up last. So we were going to start with our phthalo blue. And then let's do the Enchanted blue. That needs to be sandwiched between darker colors. So I think we're going to do the lake blue next. And then just come in with some gold. We'll do our bright aqua green, followed by turquoise, oh, I hope I have enough paints here. I think I do. And then we'll do the metallic blue. Now that metallic blue isn't custom, but I don't have it labeled. I don't want that yet. And then we're gonna just start back over.
It's the motion of the ocean, keeps my heart beating a sway. Rolling like a secret, pulling all my cares away. Every rise, every fall, got me floating where I stand. It's the motion of the ocean, and it's waving my hand. It's the motion of the ocean. And it stayed with it done, and then I never had a note again. It's not how that you feel, asking something out of me and me. Every rise, every fall, got me floating where I stand. It's the motion of the ocean, and it's waving my hand.
That's pretty, you guys. There you go. Okay, let's take this whole thing and move it to the center. think I've got plenty of paint that I don't really necessarily need this, but I want to make sure that I keep most of my design. All right. See what the weight of the paint is. Looks like we're wanting to go this way. And I'm just going to take it in circles for a minute. Oh, got a little chunk of something there. One more time. Now what do I have in there? Hair. I got doggy hair. My dog's not allowed back here, but she gets on me all the time, so sometimes that hair just transfers. Okay, so it looks like the weight of my paint is up here in this corner. So we're gonna just start there. Bring it back to the center. Bring it back. This is already so pretty. Okay, let's see what I want to do here. That's better. Like everything else, and I got a ton of bubbles. I expected that because I just mixed these. I honestly don't mind the bubbles because I kind of like the look that it gets when I pop. Okay. I want to keep this. I'm loving that. So let's go off this corner over here. Hmm. Bring it back. This is super pretty, you guys. First of all, I'm truly sorry about the reflection, but there's nothing I can do about that. This has got to be the prettiest painting I've ever done. This is gorgeous. I love this so much. So I think that down there is actually going to be the bottom of the painting, because it kind of reminds me of the seashore. So let me show you all the detail in this. All these striations, and look at the shimmer. I don't know if I can recreate how I tilted or poured the cups or not, but I love this so much. The colors are absolutely gorgeous together. Look at that center. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love that pocket of the Prussian blue. Or the phthalo blue, I mean. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how this one dries. We'll be back with the dry results. Oh my goodness, this dried gorgeous. I love it. This is so pretty, you guys. It's got so much detail to it. Okay, so this was my ocean-inspired painting, and it could not be more perfect for the ocean down by Florida, where we like to go vacation. So let me bring you in for some details here. First of all, look at the striations in this. This is so cool. We've got pops of gold coming through here and there. All that motion. I love this. Swoops of gold. That big swoop through there. Like a wave almost. This is so cool. We've got the cells that formed there. And the eye. You guys, that right there looks like a hurricane. That is so cool. I love it. I want to know what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments your opinions on this painting. It is available for purchase if you would like to purchase it. Email me at inspiringbeautydesigns@hotmail.com if you would like something in similar colors or something else and just want something customized to you. Let me know. I am more than happy to do commissions. All of my artwork is available for purchase. If you've seen it on a video, reach out to me, because if I have it, I'll sell it to you, and if I don't, we'll see if we can get something similar to it. So please like, share, subscribe, all the things. It helps me to grow my channel, and it will help you to see everything that I post. All of the details are in the description, including discount codes for Amazon, Let's Resin, and Craft Resin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.